Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my family's favorite pozole verde. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by bringing 6 quarts of water to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add the salt along with the 6 pounds of chicken. Now we're just going to allow it to come to another boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to skim the top of our broth to remove all of the impurities from the chicken. Now to my pot, I'm going to be adding my chiles serranos. Depending on how spicy you want your pozole, then it depends on how many you're going to add. Along with that, I'm going to be adding a chile habanero and half a pound of tomatillos. We're just going to allow them to change color. After a couple minutes, our tomatillos and chiles should have changed color, so they are ready. We're just going to be transferring them to the blender cup. And just set it to the side until it's time to make our salsa. Returning to our pot, we're going to add our pre-cooked hominy, along with our garlic, onion, and bay leaves. We're going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it, and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the chicken from the pot. Okay, now we're just going to transfer some of the broth to our blender cup so we can get ready to blend our salsa. Okay, now to a blender cup, we're going to add our chicken bouillon along with all of our spices, the garlic cloves, piece of onion, the radish leaves, and this is just going to give it that earthy taste along with enhance the green color, the cilantro, spinach. Okay, I'm going to get ready to blend so like that I can add the rest of my ingredients. Okay, so once that already goes down, we can add our lettuce leaves along with our roasted poblano peppers and roasted hatch or Anaheim peppers. So now just blend everything until we have a smooth sauce. Okay, and just like that we have our pozole sauce, so now we can transfer it back to the pot. Okay, so before we add the sauce, we can remove the onion and the head of garlic. Now add the sauce. Just going to add some of it to my blender so I can get all of it. And see how beautiful green color our pozole is. So now just mix it and bring it to a simmer so like that we can taste it for salt. Okay, so while we wait, we can shred our chicken. Okay, once we have shredded our chicken, we can take it back to the pot. Once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we can add our chicken. Now we're just going to mix it all together and allow this to continue cooking for another 15 minutes. Okay, and after 15 minutes, we can now get ready to serve our delicious green chicken pozole. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving our pozole. So I'm going to begin by squeezing a little lime juice. Going to serve it with my cucumber salsa. And this one is very spicy. So just add a little bit. Top it with some cabbage. Of course, some radishes and some chiles serranos. Going to sprinkle some cilantro, and now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this is one of my kids' favorite. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. It's so easy, so flavorful. It's honestly the best. So I am so ready. So cheers and enjoy. The best. So flavorful. It's not spicy, but of course if you want your pozole to be spicy, you can add more chiles serranos or add more chile habanero, but this right here, it's honestly perfection. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious pozole verde. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.